Hi, my name's Devon McDonald. I'm a counsellor based in Kings Hill in Kent. Today we are looking at the grounding meditation in nature. So some people choose to do this actually out in nature. Some people choose to do this at home. Importantly, please sit up and put your feet flat on the ground so that you really feel the connection to the ground when you do this. So we're just going to start by taking a couple of nice deep breaths. Just noticing in your body as you're taking these breaths, if you're holding any tension, and maybe letting that go. Now, just like you to imagine that your body is like the trunk of a tree, and all of the leaves and branches, and that your feet connected to the floor are now connecting with nature. And I want you to imagine roots that come out through your feet down into the ground, deep, deep down. A big complex of roots holding you steady, keeping you firmly grounded. And then I want you to start to notice that those roots offer nurture. They offer something to you to fulfill you and to calm you. And just imagine all of that coming up through the roots, up into your body. At the same time as you breathe out, notice any tension, any difficulties exiting your body through the soles of your feet into the roots, where it can be discharged safely into the earth. The earth is offering some nurture, some nutrients via the roots up into your body, and allowing you to expel anything that you no longer need back into the earth. Notice how solid and grounded you feel with your roots extending deep into the earth. Allowing any tension to flow away and taking in what you need. And when you're ready, gently coming back to the room that you are in. This is quite a nice meditation to do. You can either do it very quickly, as we have done here, or you can do it for a slightly more extended period of time. If you're outside, you can really take in the sounds of nature, the feeling of the ground underneath your feet. Maybe if you're sitting, underneath your hands as well, and really feel connected with nature and the earth. I hope you've enjoyed this meditation. Go well.